Call me by your name.
Oh, you've got to put some swaz on it, Gromit. Stop being...
De hoy simplemente vengo a decirte feliz Navidad y próspero año nuevo.
I have a structured settlement and I need cash now. Call J.J. Wentworth.
Are you a male or female?
Email.
An email.